Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, come closer to me because today I brought very special topic for your kids. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about baby crochet mobile hangers. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for baby crochet mobile hangers. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more and unique videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique, very special and beautiful video. A crochet mobile hanger is a versatile and charming accessory that can be both functional and decorative. Here are some benefits of using or making a crochet mobile hanger. The first and the main one is customizable design. You can create unique pattern, color and texture to match your home decor or personal style. Sustainable material. Crochet mobile hangers are often made from eco-friendly materials like cotton or hemp, reducing reliance on plastic. Cost effective. Crocheting your own mobile hanger is more affordable compared to buying mass-produced version. Durability. Crocheted item tends to be sturdy, especially when made with quality yarn lasting for a long time. Handmade craft. A crochet mobile hanger is a great example of handmade artistry, which can be a source of pride and creativity. Space saving. Hanging mobile can help saving in smaller room by utilizing vertical space instead of taking up floor area. Versatile use. Crochet mobile hangers can hold a variety of items such as plants, decorations, toys, or even baby mobiles. Perfect for baby rooms. Crochet mobile hangers can be used to hang cute mobile for babies, adding a personal touch to the nursery. Non-toxic. If you use natural non-dyed yarn, a crochet mobile hanger can be a safer alternative for household with babies or pets. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique, beautiful and very outstanding outclass mobile hanger ideas. Promotes creativity. The process of crocheting can help develop creativity and improve your crafting skills. Therapeutic. Crocheting can be a relaxing and mindful activity, providing stress relief and promoting mental well-being. Decorative elements. A crochet mobile hanger adds a cozy handmade aesthetic to any room, making it feel more welcoming and personal. Portable. Because crochet hangers are lightweight and flexible, they are easy to move from one location to another. Eco-conscious. By making a mobile hanger from sustainable yarn, you are contributing to a greener, more eco-conscious lifestyle. Supports local businesses. Purchasing yarn or supplies from small local shops or artisans supports local economic. Educational. Making a crochet mobile hanger is a great project for beginners to learn crochet skills from basic stitches to intricate designs. With a happy ending today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with very smart, unique, outstanding and outclass crocheting ideas. So keep in touch with our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you. Take care. Bye bye.